Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Shitun and Ambika. In this Python tutorial, we will learn what is string concatenation, examples of string concatenation, what is string repetition, examples of string repetition, what is string membership, examples of string membership. String concatenation. String concatenation means combining two strings together to create a whole new string. The plus operator joins the two strings. When plus is used on two string values, it joins the string as the string concatenation operator. The meaning of an operator may change based on the data types of the values next to it. For example, plus is addition operator when it operates on two integers or floating point values. However, when plus is used on two string values, it joins the strings as the string concatenation operator. Example 1. This is a simple example of the string concatenation. The plus operator joins the two strings, Julia and Roberts, together to form a new string. It's like adding the strings together using the same symbol you have used for adding numbers. Example 2. In this example, the expression z equals to x plus y evaluates down to a single new string value that combines the text of the two strings. In the above code, variable x stores the string hello and the variable y stores the string world. We use the plus operator to combine these two string variables and store them in z. Then we print the new combined string z. When we join two strings, their exact values are combined together with no space or separator character inserted between them. In most cases, you will want to insert a space between strings you join. So don't forget to put one in. You can put a space either at the end of the first string or at the beginning of the second string. You can also use an additional plus operator with a separator character in between them. If you try to use the plus operator on a string and an integer value, Python will display an error message. Example: Python does not allow you to mix numbers and strings in plus expressions. In this example, we try to use the plus operator on a string Julia and an integer value of 50. Python will not know how to handle this and it will display an error message. The error message can only concatenate str, not int to str means that Python thought you were trying to concatenate an integer to the string Julia. In this case, we will have to explicitly convert the integer to a string because Python cannot do this automatically. String repetition. The asterisk operator multiplies two integer or floating point values. But when the asterisk operator is used on one string value and one integer value, it becomes the string replication operator. Example: the expression is evaluated down to a single string value that repeats the original string a number of times equal to the integer value. In this example, the string Python will be repeated 5 times. String replication is a useful trick, but it's not used as often as string concatenation. The asterisk operator can be used with only one string value and one integer value for string replication. Otherwise, Python will just display an error message. Example 1. It makes sense that Python would not understand this expression. You can't multiply two words by using replication operator. In this example, we try to multiply two strings. So Python will display an error message that can't multiply sequence by non-int of type str. The replication operator can be used with only one string value and one integer value for string replication. Otherwise, Python will just display an error message. Example 2. It makes sense that Python would not understand this expression. You also cannot replicate a string a fractional number of times. In this example, we try to multiply one string with a fractional number. So Python will display an error message that can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. The replication operator can be used with only one string value and one integer value for string replication. Otherwise, Python will just display an error message. String membership. Membership operators are used to test if a value or a variable is or is not in a sequence. A sequence may be a string, a list, an array, or a tuple. Membership operators return a Boolean value that is true or false. Membership operators are a binary operator. Python provides two membership operators, in operator and not in operator. The in and not in operators can be used with strings. An expression with two strings joined using in or not in will evaluate to a Boolean true or false. The in operator returns true if a substring is found in a given string. It is false otherwise. The not in operator returns true if a substring is not found in a given string. It is false otherwise. Example 1. In this example, the in operator returns true because the substring value Python is found in the given string value. Welcome to Python world. Example 2. In this example, the string hello world is assigned to the variable a and the string value hello is assigned to the variable b. The in operator returns false because the substring value hello is not found in the given string value hello world. In Python, uppercase h and lowercase h are two different alphabets because their Unicode values are different. Python compares two strings according to the Unicode value of each character. Example 3. In this example, the not in operator returns Boolean value true because the substring value cats is not found in the given string value dogs and elephants. The not in operator returns true if a substring is not found in a given string. It is false otherwise. Example 4. In this example, the not in operator returns Boolean value false because the substring value dogs is found in the given string value dogs and elephants. The not in operator returns false if a substring is found in a given string. It is true otherwise. Example 5. The condition in the if statement is P in message. If message contains the character P, it's true. If message does not contain P, it's false. In the first sample run, the value of a message is Python programming, which does contain the character P. So the condition P in message evaluated to true, and the computer printed P is in your message. In the second sample run, the value of a message is Java language, which does not contain the character P. So the condition P in message evaluated to false, and the computer printed P is not in your message. If an element is in a sequence, it's said to be a member of the sequence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was indexing in Python. Next video is traversing a string using loops. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.